Good morning, students. Good morning.
Good morning.
Very good morning to all of you. Kritika, turn on your camera, please. Jignesh, Artha, turn on your camera, please. Dhwani, turn on your camera, please. Kritika, you tell me the reason why you want to hide yourself. Tell me
Ma'am,
the reason today. Because this is happening every time, Kritika. You know it will really affect your grades. You don't want to talk with us. You don't want to have a conversation with us. Why you keep your camera off? This is the last warning, and then you will, in the next term, you will really see there will be very ups and downs in your grades. Okay? Last warning now. Unnecessary, you children keeping your camera off. That you want the teacher will then pin you, then only you will on your camera. Why don't you have the interest by yourself to keep the
ma'am, I am
camera on?
keeping my camera on only.
I'm not telling you. I'm telling to the students, those who keep. Like Dhwani always keep after telling, giving the reminders, she turn on the camera. Pritika always keep after giving reminders, she turn on the camera. You know, I will put your names in the classroom also now. Moksh, turn on your camera, please. Krishav, turn on your camera, please. Moksh, stop playing. Krishav, turn on your camera.
Mama, turn on.
It's not on. After pinning you also, you are not coming. Yeah, now it's on. Okay.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes, Vedi.
You didn't send the worksheet
Yeah, I
yesterday.
will send the worksheet today because I want to explain one more thing in that worksheet. That's the reason not sent.
Okay.
Okay. So now take out page number 149, everyone. As you all know that from last one or two classes, we are discussing about the perimeter. And
Yes,
please always be ready with the textbook and notebook in my maths class.
ma'am, which page number?
149. I am writing here. Page number 149. I'm going to present my screen and will explain you with the help of the presentation. Rahmat is a farmer. He grow wheat in his field. Okay. Now this is his field. I need a fence around my field. Fence, you all know fences. Right now we are all learning about the boundary, perimeter. Fences will always put on the boundary. So we are learning about how to put the fences. Rahmat needs to find the length of the boundary of the field. So can you find? Will you help him to find what is the length?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then Rahmat needs to find the length of the boundary of the
Ma'am,
field. So first is 9 meters, 15 meter, 21 meter, and the 9 meter. So what will be the perimeter and what how much fences he required? Tell me the answer.
54
ma'am, can
meters.
I say 54 meters? 54 meters and
39 plus 15,
54 meters.
54 meters. Yes. Now move to the next. Rahmat bought a roll of 70 meter of wire the fence. So will 70 meter will be enough for him?
Yes.
Yes. So how much will be left with him now? Because total 70 meter he bought. 54 meter he is using. How much is left? Tell me fast. How much wire is left with him now?
26.
26.
26. How?
No.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
16
16.
meters. Ma'am,
16 meter.
16 meters.
Yes.
16 meter.
Yes. Now, turn the page number 150. I should also do the same for the field. Ganpat is also telling that I will also that I will also do for my field. Then Ganpat is also bringing the wire for his field. Can you give me the wire that is left with you? I will use it for my field. So how much wire did Rahmat give to Ganpat? What you will write here?
16 meters.
जो उसके पास बचा वही तो देगा वो. 16 meter is left with him, so he will give only 16 meter to him. Now Ganpat thanked Rahmat and started fencing his own field, but he needed to get more wire. How long is boundary? Now the
18 meter.
You can see the Ganpat's fields also. Find the
Ma'am, 18
boundary.
meter.
18 meter कैसे बेटा? How it is 18 meter?
86 meter.
Ma'am, 49 boundary. 49.
Let me add.
86 meter.
The child who is blind.
Ma'am, 48 meter.
Hare 18
Ma'am,
meter.
48.
15
No, ma'am,
meter.
80.
15 meter.
Ma'am, 48 is right.
9 and 9, 18 and the another 18. So I want to add 8, 1 to a 16. 16 plus 10.
Ma'am, 66 meter.
1, 2, 3,
48.
4, 5, 6. 66 meter. 48 is also wrong. 80 is also wrong. 86 is also wrong. Got it the answer?
Yes, ma'am, I have said only.
Because you children are not adding also.
Ma'am, I have added, then I know.
So 66 में से 16 माइनस करेंगे आप उसको खुद की वायर कितनी लानी है? Because 16 meter we have taken from Rahmat.
50 meter.
50 meter he will brought now.
50.
Got it everyone?
50
Yes
meter.
or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. On the page number 151. Here are pictures of some more fields.
Ma'am, I know the answers.
Find the answer.
I know the answers. Can I tell?
A1 is.
Find
I
out.
know
the-
the
Yes, tell me. Shivani, A1, tell
16
me.
meters.
Ma'am, A1 is
Ma'am, A1 is 60.
Hare will tell me today. Because I know what he is doing. Hare, tell me what is the answer for the A1.
Okay, ma'am. Answer is 20, 39, 15. Can I say the answer?
Ma'am,
No,
can
I
I
am waiting for Hare
The
only.
answer is 60.
I am waiting for Hare only. Hare has to give me answer. Hare, tell me.
42 meters.
बेटा आपको प्लस करना भी नहीं आ रहा है. You cannot plus 6 meter, 15 meter and 15 meter and 24 meter. Just you are just reading their answers and giving me.
Oh,
Shivangani, mute your mic please. Hare, I want the answer from you only. Please give me fast.
Okay, ma'am. 15 plus 50.
Those who giving the answer 42, they don't know how to add. Tell me students, you don't know how to add the sides? 39.
60.
Harsh Keshwani, can I
60
teach you the
meter.
add from addition from the beginning?
Ma'am, 60 meter.
हर्ष केशवानी बताइए बेटा मैं एडिशन
Ma'am,
पढ़ा
I was writing second one.
why you need to tell me no that I am writing the second answer. I am asking first only. It is 60 meter. Now tell me the next answer.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Arav Apani.
Ma'am, 36 meter. Ma'am, 42.
Second is 9 plus
42,
6
42.
plus 3 plus
Ma'am,
6
42.
plus 6 plus 12.
Ma'am, 42.
Ma'am, 40.
Then you have given 39. Harsh Keshwani again 39. 6 1 6 are 12. 13 14 15 16
Ma'am, answer
17
is 42.
18 19 20 21 22 23 23
42.
plus 9
Ma'am, answer is 42. 42.
42.
23 plus 9 9, 10, 11, 12, 32. So answer is 42.
Two.
Those who are giving 42 meters, it's right. 39 meters,
That's what I
36
said.
meters is
I said
wrong. So Harsh, Kashwani, can we start addition first from the beginning? Tell me. जब ये तो पेरीमीटर पे एप्लीकेशन है एडिशन की. If you don't know the addition, can I start the addition with you?
Ma'am, I can't see the. I was not seeing the.
Why? If you miss ना, अगर आप miss कर दोगे तो loss किसका है बेटा? You have to see all the sides.
36 है. Ma'am, 36.
It is 42.
No, ma'am, the third answer. Third. C.
Third is 9 plus 12 plus 15.
36, ma'am. 36.
36 meter.
36 meter.
9, 10, 36 meter.
36 meter. 36
What is
meter.
the answer for the D1?
Ma'am, 78 m. 78 meter.
78.
Mohammed Mohammed, I
78
request
meter.
you also to do it by your own. Don't
Ma'am, C1
ask
36
answer.
meter.
Ma'am, I don't. My mother don't tell. I do it by only.
Okay. So 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 30 is 60. 60 plus 18. What is your answer coming, students?
70.
Ma'am, 78 meter.
78.
78
Yes.
meter. I have written.
78 meter.
Ma'am, D1.
Turn the page.
78.
Turn the page now. These are the remaining two pages which we will do in the next class. You come on the page number 155. Page number 155. See, if yesterday also I have discussed some part, page number 155. Yesterday also discussed if this is the I have something which I want to find the perimeter of that, and this is a square figure, so this is 3 centimeter. This is also 3 will be, and this is 3. This is also 3. So what will be the perimeter of the square?
Ma'am, 12. Ma'am, 12.
12. You have added and you told me. Suppose I am not giving you this. I am only giving you one side. So in that case, what you will do?
This is square, so we will.
This is square having 4. Harsh Keshwani, note, this is something new. So please note here and please pay attention here. This is square having 4 sides. One side is given, so we can multiply it with the 4 and get the answer. 4 sides, 3 is the one side, 12 is the answer, and the unit is meter, so it will be in meter or the centimeter, sorry. Why 4 multiplied by 3? Because one side is 3 and total 4 sides are there, and 4 are same, equal, because it's a square. So you can put this formula and find the perimeter of a square. So note, take out your notebooks, everyone. So this is the formula of a perimeter derived from here only. This is the proof we can give. Take out your notebooks and write today's date, write the chapter number, write formula. Perimeter of a square. अगर कोई स्क्वायर है उसकी वन साइड गिवन है तो उसका पेरीमीटर कैसे निकलेगा? 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड, वॉट एवर द साइड मेजरमेंट इज गिवन, उससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ अ स्क्वायर perimeter. Perimeter of a square equals to 4 multiplied by side. Please write down in your notebooks. Takes formula perimeter of a rectangle. Rectangle figure, you know that this is rectangle where opposite sides are same. Suppose this is 3 centimeter, this will be 3 and this will be 2 and this will be 2. And you have learned the simple method that when you add length plus breadth, right? Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Because in a rectangle, 2 sides are length and the 2 sides are breadth. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So with this long method, we can easily form one formula which is now, अगर हम ये length plus breadth करते हैं, then also right, but the formula derive from here 2 length plus breadth, because 2 is coming out means 2 times length and 2 times breadth. Multiplication sign. Yes. So in this case, what you will do when you add length and breadth and multiply it with the 2, it is same as length plus breadth and length plus breadth. इसके जैसा ही है. Got it? Because 2 times length, so we take 2 common. 2 times breadth, we took 2 common, and 1 time length and 1 time breadth is inside. So this is the formula proof that how the formula has derived, how the formula they have made. अब blindly formula learn नहीं कर सकते हो कि 2 multiply by length plus breadth, पर वो आया कहाँ से? क्योंकि 2 times length है और 2 times breadth है इसके अंदर. Got it everyone? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Not rub.
I am rubbing that simple formula. This is the actual formula. Write this. Perimeter of a rectangle आप ऐसे निकालेंगे और जब ब्रैकेट फर्स्ट व्हाट यू विल डू, लेंथ और ब्रेथ को ऐड कर देंगे, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, देन द सॉल्यूशन विल कम.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Done. These two formulas are done.
No, ma'am.
No,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm giving you these few sums. On these formula, you have to find out their perimeter. Can I erase this?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sama saying yes, Sama saying no. Please, I will now set the timings. Please do fast.
Ma'am, you can drop this.
Moksh, done?
No, ma'am.
Moksh, I am erasing from the top. Okay. Write the question number 1. I'm giving you, write the heading practice sums.
Ma'am, on the new page or the same page?
New page. Write practice sums. Question number 1. Find the
new page. Find the boot of the.
point, Kaludi. Turn off your mic. Arush, turn off your mic. Yes, new page. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is A sum 14 centimeter and B sum 17 centimeter. ये दो sums करो. In
Ma'am, your
this
screen is blurred.
it will come within 1 or 2 minutes. To other students also it's blurred.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's clear, Earth?
No, ma'am. It's blurred.
With this
No,
one or
ma'am,
two-
it's clear.
Ma'am,
Within 1 or 2 seconds, it will be clear.
Ma'am,
Maybe.
Ma'am, if I am writing one on this page and second on next page, it's okay.
Yeah, wait a minute. I'll stop the presentation. Then you can easily see my board. Now
Really?
see.
We have to draw the square and show it.
No, not required. I just only want the perimeter.
Ma'am, we have to draw it.
No, don't draw the square. Only find the perimeter with the formula. Question number 2. Find the perimeter of a rectangle. Suppose-
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Means we have to first make that 14 plus 14 plus 14 that square side.
बेटा जब 14 plus 14 से ही करना है, that is the simple method. Why I have teach you the formula? Apply that formula and find the perimeter.
Ma'am, I'm not drawing the box, it's okay.
Now don't draw the square, just only find the perimeter of the square. If a square which is having 14 centimeter one side, what will be its perimeter?
Ma'am, 56 centimeter.
Dheer, you got it how to do it?
Ma'am, 56 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
You have to 14 multiply by 4.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the method which we did in 14, the same method we have to do with 17.
Yes. वो भी तो स्क्वायर ही है. Wait a minute, Kritika.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I can't understand the concept.
Concept is you know how to find the perimeter by adding the sides. And square is a figure which have all the sides same. So if one side is 14, if you add 14, 14, 14, 14, 4 times, you will get the perimeter. But I have teach you the formula. If a square having all the 4 sides same, so for make it easy, you can multiply the one side with the 4 also. Then also the same. So why not we adapt the formula? Why we do the long method of adding 14 times 4 times 14?
And the
Suppose this is a square. See, very simple concept that this is a square. One side is given 14.
Writing the
So
second
you
one.
know the another 3 sides also 14. So which method you want to adapt? You want to add the 14 4 times, or you want to adapt that I told you 4 sides are same. So 4 multiplied by 14 is 56. Which is easy for you?
It's multiplication.
So do this na.
Okay, but why 17? We have to do same method with 17.
बेटा वो भी तो स्क्वायर ही है. मैंने 2 सम्स प्रैक्टिस के लिए दिए हैं आपको.
Okay. Ma'am, I am writing the second. Ma'am, I am writing the second.
I got the both answers.
Both answer you got?
Ma'am, can you show the second one? I'm
That
doing.
B1 I know. And the
See,
B1
I have explained you the formula because mathematics जो है वो कुछ calculations formula base पे करती है so that your calculations become easy.
Ma'am,
है
can
ना?
I
I
show
know the
the
B1 also. The B.
What is the B1?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes,
Ma'am, answer is 68.
68. 17 multiply by 4. यहाँ तो 17 को 4 times add
68.
कर लो. या 17 multiply by 4 कर दो because multiplication is a repeated addition.
Ma'am, I was writing the second.
ma'am.
Can I write the second question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the First, can I erase the first one because I need the space?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivani, you don't want to keep your mic off? Fine. Write the question and then explanation I will do. Find the perimeter of a rectangle length is 24 centimeter and the breadth is 17 centimeter. Write this question and then explanation I will do how to do this with the
Your
formula.
voice is cut.
With the formula as well as with the easy method, both the methods I will explain you how to find the perimeter.
Ma'am, your screen. Ma'am, your
It will come.
screen
एक
is
दो
blur.
मिनट ऐसा होगा in between. It will come. Okay, let me on with the another device.
Ma'am, now
Ma'am,
it
in
is now it is perfect.
Ma'am, in the
Now
B
you are-
one. Ma'am, ma'am, in the B1, it's the length, no?
LENGTH length equals to 24 centimeter. B breadth का short form लिखा है मैंने BREADTH लिखी है आप spelling BREADTH breadth का short form हम B भी लिख सकते हैं. So breadth equals to 17 centimeter.
Ma'am,
breadth-
27 multiplied by 2.
Ma'am, breadth means
Breadth लंबाई और चौड़ाई. Length means लंबाई. मोहम्मद एक मिनट रुको बेटा. Someone is asking something. The length means the length of the figure. Breadth means उसकी चौड़ाई कितनी है. लंबाई और चौड़ाई width में.
okay.
कोई भी आप ऑब्जेक्ट लीजिए अपने घर पे. Whether you take a towel, hanky, whichever thing. Like there is a maths book in my hand. The longest is the length and this is the breadth. Got it? Length and the breadth. Can I erase the first one? I'm erasing.
Yes,
students.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes. Now first see, then write. First listen, then write. Jignesh and Pragyan, turn on your camera, please. Moksha, turn on your camera. Viha, turn on your camera. Now listen. Length is given, breadth is given. This don't draw don't do anything right now. Just observe and see. See the explanation. This is the rectangle figure. Okay. Where the length is, suppose I'm writing is 24 centimeter.
Ma'am, the
Yeah.
length is 96.
Ma'am, 17 is
I
the
am
breadth.
giving you the breadth, no breadth,
Yes, breadth.
length and
17.
breadth. Or it is called width also, width, width. Okay. Or you can give this as a length and this as a breadth. So it will be more bigger because अगर आपको ये बड़ा बनाना है 24 और ये 17. See, 24 and this is 17. Now you know दो sides given है तो opposite sides same है. This will be
Yes,
also
ma'am.
24. This is 17, so this also will be 17. जब आपको दो गिवन है लेंथ और ब्रेथ तो दूसरी लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ आप फाइंड आउट करके इसका पेरीमीटर सिंपल वे में फाइंड कर सकते हो. लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ और सेकंड टाइम भी लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ. एक लेंथ ये, एक ब्रेथ ये, एक लेंथ ये, एक ब्रेथ ये. Got it? So this is the simple method. So 24 is the length. 17 is the breadth, then again 24 is the length, and 17 is the breadth. Find out according to this method what is the answer coming. प्लस करके आंसर निकालो. Find out the answer.
82.
24 plus 24, 17 plus 17, 7, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 82. राइट, ये आ गया आपके इजी मेथड से 82 सेंटीमीटर. ये सिंपल जो था. अगर
82
मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूले से इसको करें तो नाउ राइट और इन बिटवीन. ये दूसरा मेथड है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला मेथड, Moin Kaludi, please mute your mic. If I want to do according to the formula method, so formula is 2L plus B. So 2 bahar rahega. L is 24 centimeter. Breadth is 17 centimeter. So 24 plus 17, 41. 2 bracket, when bracket will open, multiplication sign will come. So 2 multiplied by 41. What will be the answer?
82.
82.
Ma'am, 82.
2 centimeter. In both the cases, the answer has come same. Answer has come same.
Yes.
So this formula is taught you to learn
2
it.
multiplied by 41 is equal to 82.
Yes. So ये फॉर्मूला आपको क्यों पढ़ाया गया? आप तो इस मेथड से भी कर सकते थे. To make your calculation easier. और मैथमेटिक्स में जो अब हम पेरीमीटर निकालते हैं रेक्टेंगल का, तो इसी फॉर्मूले से आपको निकालना होता. ये तो एक इजी मेथड था जिससे आप अपना आंसर चेक भी कर सकते हैं whether your formula answer is right or not. But both the ways answer will come same. तो आप मुझसे पूछोगे मैम फिर ये क्यों पढ़े? पर आपको मैथमेटिकल टर्म से भी तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना बेटा, राइट? यस और नो? मैथमेटिकल जो उन्होंने ये प्रूफ किया है कि जो आंसर है वो इस तरीके से, जो फॉर्मूला है वो इसके बेसिस पे ड्राइव हुआ है. ठीक है, अब समझ आया? एनी क्वेरीज टू एनी चाइल्ड? सॉल्व दिस बोथ द वेज. और लिख दो बीच में. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब हम करेंगे तो हम सिर्फ फॉर्मूला करेंगे. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल हमने दोनों से किया. सो टू मेक यू इजी एंड टू मेक यू मोर कंफर्टेबल कि व्हाई मैम, देन ध्वनि विल कम, मैम माय कॉन्सेप्ट इज नॉट क्लियर. That's the reason I explain you in both the ways. Now your concept is clear, dear. So do both the methods for this sum. Next sum, whenever we will do, always do with the formula method, not with the simple method.
Ma'am, but I have done like this, that first I have plus 24 and 17, and then I have multiplied 41 and 2 with 2.
41 you have plus, no, 24 and 17, it's 41 and multiplied with the 2.
But
Multiplication also you can show here.
Ma'am, but I have not written like you.
But yours is also not clearly visible. Can you do it like me?
Okay, ma'am. I'll do.
Done, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
The worksheet which I have explained you yesterday, I will send today, okay?
Okay.
Those who have done, they can leave. Thank you for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank
Have
you.
a
Bye.
nice
Have a nice day.
Bye bye. Thank you.